Using our pregnancy weight tracking graph is quite easy. The graph is meant to give you an early warning that you're putting on too much weight for your stage of pregnancy. Excess weight gained during pregnancy is mostly fat and not fluid. So why use a pregnancy weight tracking graph? Well, fat stores are our fuel tanks, and our bodies are designed to protect these fat stores so we have fuel when there is no food available. In pregnancy, your body throws a metabolic switch and you become super efficient at turning every morsel of food into fat on your body. So if you eat whatever you want and whenever you want, you may become very fat during your pregnancy. In addition, your fetus may become very fat, and yes, babies can be too fat. Fat is especially easy to put on during pregnancy and usually very hard to take off. We've known since 1990 how much weight a woman will usually gain during her pregnancy. This presumes she's eating healthily and exercising a little most days. You'll see from this chart that women with a high BMI generally gain less weight than women with a low BMI, as long as they eat healthily and exercise most days. During a normal 9 months or 40-week pregnancy, you will gain weight in the following parts of your body. If you're not careful, instead of putting on a normal 12 kilograms, you may put on as much as 30 kilograms during your pregnancy. Some of this will be a larger baby, say an extra half or perhaps 1 kilogram, but most of this extra weight will be fat on your body. To make use of your pregnancy weight tracking graph, you'll need to establish your body mass index or BMI. You'll need to know, or at least estimate, your weight before you fell pregnant. If you're unsure what your weight was before you fell pregnant, just use your current weight minus a kilogram or 2. To work out your BMI, use the following online calculator, or use the BMI chart on the next slide. Let's presume you're 165 centimeters tall, and you weighed 70 kilograms when you fell pregnant. This gives a BMI of about 26. In this example, the correct chart for you is the one on the bottom left, BMI 25 to 29.9. In this example, you can see you will likely gain somewhere between 7 and 11.5 kilograms by the end of your pregnancy. That is, you're unlikely to exceed 81.5 kilograms this pregnancy. So, in this example, please fill in your weight on the left-hand column, starting with 70 kilograms here. Then go up 2 kilograms to 72 kilograms, another 2 kilograms to 74 kilograms, and so on. Let's presume you're now 20 weeks pregnant and you weigh 73 kilograms. Plot this on your graph as follows, and continue to plot as your pregnancy progresses. If you find your weight crossing into the red area, have a think. Is your diet as good as it could be? Are you exercising most days? Are you only eating for one? Are you avoiding sweet drinks such as juice, cordial, colas? Are you eating normal-sized portions? We know that about 80 to 90% of women will track in the green zone as long as they are eating sensibly and exercising most days, such as a 30-minute walk. However, some women will track into the red zone despite eating healthily and exercising most days. If you believe you're doing everything right and you're still tracking in the red zone, discuss this with your obstetric doctor or a dietitian.